Quizzes are more than just tests. They are tools for learning, engagement, and even entertainment. Whether you are a teacher, content creator, team lead, or course designer, creating quizzes manually can be slow and repetitive. That's where ChatGPT becomes a game changer. In this session, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create customized quizzes quickly, clearly, and in the exact format you need. Before getting started, let's discuss what the benefits of using ChatGPT for quizzes are. Using ChatGPT for quiz creation saves time, but that's just the beginning. You get flexibility across subjects, formats, and tone. You can design quizzes for students, teams, online learners, or general audiences. And you can tailor content for beginners, intermediates, or experts in seconds. Need a quiz in a formal tone, a casual tone, even humorous? ChatGPT adapts instantly. The key benefit: you don't start from scratch, you start from structure. It's like having a full-time assistant, one that works fast, never runs out of ideas, and always follows your lead. Now let's see the prompt structure for creating quizzes. To get the best results, you need to give ChatGPT the right prompt. Here's a reusable structure you can follow. Create a 5-question multiple choice quiz on topic. Each question should have 4 options. Indicate the correct answer. Add a 1-line explanation for each correct answer. You can also customize the difficulty: beginner, intermediate, or advanced. The audience: students, professionals, general audience. The tone: professional, friendly, or even humorous. Here's an example prompt you can reuse. Write a 5-question quiz on basic JavaScript for beginners. Use a casual tone. Each question should have 4 options, 1 correct answer, and a short explanation. Now let's walk through a real example. Imagine you are teaching a beginner course on web development and you want a quick 3-question quiz on HTML basics. Here's how you might prompt ChatGPT. Create a 3-question multiple choice quiz on HTML for beginners. Each question should have 4 options. Mark the correct answer and include a 1-line explanation after each correct answer. Now let's run this prompt inside ChatGPT and see what it generates. Take a moment to look at the structure. You will notice it includes clear questions, 4 choices each, correct answers are marked, and brief explanations help reinforce learning. Once the quiz is generated, you can edit, copy, or format it however you like. For slides, LMS platforms, Google Forms, or even a YouTube poll. This demo shows just how fast and usable ChatGPT's quizzes can be, as long as your prompt is clear and intentional. Let's now walk through one more live demo. We're going to create a full quiz, 10 multiple choice questions, all focused on artificial intelligence for beginners. To do that, we'll use a simple structured prompt. So I'm going to paste this prompt into the chat. Create a 10-question multiple choice quiz on artificial intelligence for beginners. Each question should have 4 answer options. Clearly mark the correct answer and include a 1-line explanation after each correct answer. Keep the tone neutral and beginner friendly. As you can see, ChatGPT begins generating each question one by one with clear formatting, numbered questions, 4 options per line, and a short explanation for each correct answer. Now let's scroll through the output. You can see how easy it is to follow. Each question is simple, clearly written, and tailored for someone just starting to learn about AI. This quiz is ready to use whether you are copying it into Google Forms, turning it into an interactive slide, or including it in a course module. And if you want to adjust the difficulty or ask for a different tone like humorous or formal, all you need to do is tweak the prompt. So where can you use ChatGPT generated quizzes? Education. Teachers use it for weekly test, revision, or pop quizzes. It helps reduce prep time and keeps content fresh. E-learning. Online instructors add AI generated quizzes to course modules. They make sure students understand before moving on. Corporate training. HR and L&D teams use quizzes for onboarding, compliance, and product knowledge checks. Marketing and engagement. Creators use quizzes in Instagram stories, YouTube polls, and lead magnets. They boost interaction while collecting useful data. Internal teams. Managers build quick knowledge checks before meetings or fun team quizzes for morale. In all these cases, ChatGPT acts as a fast, flexible content generator. You just focus on guiding it. To wrap up, Creating quizzes with ChatGPT is fast, flexible, and surprisingly powerful. Whether you are building a quick test for your class, an interactive poll for your audience, or a knowledge check for your team, ChatGPT takes your idea and turns it into a structured, ready-to-use quiz in seconds. All it needs is a clear prompt. You define the topic, the format, the tone, and how detailed the response should be. Then with just one click, you get a complete quiz with questions, options, correct answers, and even explanations. No more starting from scratch, no more repetitive formatting, just focused, smart quiz generation on demand. So next time you need a quiz, don't build it alone. Open ChatGPT, craft your prompt, and let the AI do the heavy lifting.